Hey guys, it's Journey to Z. I posted a picture of my hair, my new color, and the retwist last night, and I said if it got 20 likes then I'll make a update video, so I'm keeping true to my promise, and here am I. So I'm gonna talk about my top 3 products in this video and also just show you my hair, what it's doing. November this year, 2019, will make 4 years since I started my lock journey. The top 3 products, you guys, you're familiar with it already if you've been a follower of mine for a while. Nothing has changed really with the products, well, except for one thing. But I'm pretty consistent with the products that I use. So I wanted to give you all a nice view and so you can see my hair in the natural lighting and whatnot. And yeah, I don't want this to be more than 5 minutes, so quick, because Hurricane Dorian is about to come and it'll be raining in probably 2.5 seconds. So quick little video. I'm just saying hi and bye, and then I'll be out of here. And I want y'all to pray for the Bahamas, because I believe it's a category 5 right now over the Bahamas. So we really need to ask, you know, for God's protection for our brothers and sisters in the islands. And that this thing will just go back out to sea. At first I was praying, God, please just let it miss us. But then the pastor said, well, you praying for it to miss you, but it's going right to your brother. You need to pray that it just goes off course completely and just goes somewhere else. So that was a good point. Come, Emmy. Yeah, that was a good point. So yeah, I'm not just praying that it misses us, but that it just goes completely off course and it'll just be weakened and derailed in the name of Jesus. So so this is my hair. Oh. You want to be? There's a wizard? You want to be in my video, Emma?
Hi,
Turn around so they can see your hair. This is Emma. Emma's hair is growing really nice. Turn around, baby. Okay, I guess I'll make this a video update for Emma and I as well. See her hair, it's getting pretty long. Turn around, baby. Look how big she is, guys. She is 3.5 years old and she is the love of my life. Give me a kiss. What do you want to tell them about your hair?
Shampoo my hair and do my hair.
I shampooed your hair and did your hair? All right, so let's show them our number 1 product. It's a shampoo and conditioner, and it's from Herbal Essences, and it's called Hello Hydration. This is our number 1 product because it cleans our hair really nicely and it makes our hair smell really good and it keeps our hair moisturized. So we love that product, right? And our second favorite product is, it's actually a 2-in-1. This is a coconut misting oil, which I do love, but inside the bottle is vitamin E oil, which is the product that I'm talking about. I just put it in this misting bottle because it comes out as like a mist. Yeah, it makes our hair really shiny and it smells really good. That's the second product. You can get this at Walmart for like $3 if you're getting the coconut mist, or you can get the vitamin E from Hollywood Beauty. It's like $2, also from Walmart. And my third product is this. I've been using this for about 3 years now. It's a leave-in condition and repair cream.
I put my baby in there.
It's hot and you're heavy. All right, you want to go down?
Yeah.
So yeah, this, guys, I've been using it for about 3 years. I use this to retwist my hair and it doesn't leave any buildup or any flakes, and it makes my hair smell really good. It keeps it really soft, and it has somewhat of a hold to it. I don't know how. It's a leave-in conditioner.
Look, he's back.
We'll get it when I'm done with the video. All right, you're heavy and you're making me sweat. So yeah, guys, so this is the hair. I think you can see it if I go up close. Yeah. So the real reason I dyed my hair, guys, was 2 reasons. What's the matter?
I don't see.
We'll get it in a minute. The color of my original hair was so faded. It was like this terrible looking pink gold like color. Something's in my eye. It's this terrible gold pink color. And also I had like a lot of lint that I couldn't really get out. I did the little ACV and all that, and that wasn't working. So I decided to just dye it black, because of course if you have white pieces of lint in your hair, you dye it black, problem gone. So that's the number one best way and the easiest way to completely just get rid of lint, is just to dye your hair whatever color, I guess. Oh my goodness, my eye is being irritated. So make sure you see the hair. We have 5 minutes yet. We're at 6 minutes. All right, guys. So that was the hair. I'm so bothered right now because my eyes are irritated. You can follow our page if you want to follow our hair journey. I post pics of Emma and I and our hair on my Instagram, journey2ZEE. What is it, Emma?
You never see.
Okay, you want to say bye to YouTube?
Bye.
All right. So what's the number one thing you love about your hair?
Get along and fixing it and just doing it and shampoo it and just take
Look at the
me,
camera. You love shampooing your hair, and what else?
take me shower in a bubble bath.
Okay, talk about your hair though. What do you love about your locks?
I
Do you like your bangs that I just put there?
Yeah, I just made them by myself.
Mm-hmm.
And I want you to take me to swimming, because I don't have no to swim yet, and I like my hair to go long and heavy, and I like you to bring me gymnastics.
So Emma wants me to take her swimming, which we've signed up for swim classes this week. She also is asking to learn gymnastics. So I told her after she learns how to swim, then we'll look into gymnastics, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where did you first hear of gymnastics? Like, how did that idea get in your head? Did you see that on YouTube? On your iPad?
No.
So who told you about gymnastics?
I just saw that on my iPad yesterday.
Oh, okay. All right, well, let's say bye to the people.
Bye.
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 Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
And hit the like button. Put your thumb up.
Hit the white button.
So we're going to smile for a thumbnail. Smile.